All right, we're here with Mikey, E.T., Shay, and Noah, and they are part of Freddie Group here at MAKO Soccer Club. All right, so we're gonna hear from E.T. He's a goalkeeper, right? And he has some Jamaican connection. All right, so tell us a little bit about your game, E.T., and a little bit about your club. What age group you also play?
Yeah, we play for MAKO SC in Port St. Lucie, and we're U13 group here under Coach Freddie's teaching.
And you're a goalkeeper.
Yeah, I'm a goalkeeper as well.
I mean, how good are you? I mean, how many? How good are you doing in the competition with your team?
Well, I'm doing pretty good, but there's always room for improvement. Yeah.
All right, let's hear from Mikey. Mikey, what position do you play?
I play striker.
Yeah, how many goals have you scored this season?
Too many to be able to count.
All right, let's talk to Shay a little. Shay, what position do you play?
Center mid.
Center mid. Have you scored any goals this season?
No.
Any assists?
Yes.
All right, and what age group do you play in?
U13.
U13? All right, I mean, how well is the club doing? How far are you in the competition? Is the team doing well in U13?
We're doing pretty good. This season it's been a little sloppy.
Yeah, so how many games have you played so far?
About 4 or 5.
5, 6.
And what are the results?
We won 1, we lost
Yeah.
2, and we tied 2.
Yeah, we tied 2, won 1, and lost 2.
And lost 2. All right, we also have Noah. Noah, what position do you play?
I play center mid just like Shay.
Center mid, and I mean, how would you describe your game?
It's a very action-packed game. You have to keep focusing and knowing where your next pass is going to be and where to receive the ball.
All right, I want each of you to tell me which footballer, global superstar, do you model your game off? He's your idol, and that's the person that you kind of like watching the most. Noah.
Pele and Sterling. Pele and Sterling.
Pele and Sterling.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Jay.
My idol is Kevin De Bruyne.
Kevin De Bruyne. Which club does Kevin De Bruyne play for right now?
Manchester City.
All right. Wonderful. All right. And you're a goalkeeper, E.T. So
Yeah.
which goalkeeper do you like?
Manuel Neuer right now.
Manuel Neuer of Bayern.
Yeah.
Do you know he's out injured?
Yeah, I know. Skiing injury.
Skin injured. All right.
Yeah.
And, yeah, Mikey.
Dybala.
Oh, of Argentina?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you are
he's
Argentinian?
at Roma.
Yeah?
You're Argentinian?
No.
Oh, what do you like about his game?
He plays my position and he's pretty quick.
All right, wonderful. Well, you guys did very well today. It was great working with you. All the best for the rest of your competition. And why should other young players come and join your club?
Well, we have Coach Freddie. He's a great coach, and we all strive to be the best.
Okay. And which team do you want to play for when you leave here?
I don't know. I don't know yet.
What about you, Mikey? Which club team you want to play for?
Any opportunity that I get.
All right. Shay, any team you dream of playing for one day?
My dream is to play for Liverpool.
Liverpool. All right, all right. And you like De Bruyne? I don't understand that. I don't know how that's going to work, but that's good. What about you, Noah?
My dream is to play for Man City.
Man City.
Mhm.
All right, thank you guys. You did a wonderful job today, and it was great working with you. All the best for the rest of the season and for the rest of your career. All right, bye-bye.